Square supports recurring payments through Square subscriptions, Square invoices, or Square appointments for service-based recurring billing. This is available on all Square plans with no extra monthly fee. Only standard processing fees apply. Go to squareup.com, sign in, or use the Square Point of Sale app and tap online. In the dashboard, click Customers, left menu, Subscriptions, create a subscription, or plus new subscription. Set up the subscription, name the plan, for example, monthly yoga membership. Set price and billing frequency, weekly, monthly, yearly, custom. Choose start date, immediate or future, and optional end date or number of payments. Add trial period, for example, 7 days free, or setup fee if needed. Select payment methods, cards, ACH bank transfer, Afterpay, Cash App Pay. Customize invoice branding, payment reminders, and late fees, optional. Add customers manually, add a customer, click Add Customer, enter name, email, phone, and payment card, or import from existing customer list. Assign the subscription to one or more customers. Send and activate. Click Create. Square generates a shareable link or sends an invoice email. Customer clicks link, enters card details, agrees to recurring billing. Payments auto-charge on schedule. Funds appear in your Square balance minus fees.